Welcome back to Automobiles Car, your go-to channel for everything related to cars and automotive news. Today we have something exciting for you, the 2025 Tata Altroz, a hatchback that's redefined its game in terms of both design and performance. But in this video, we will focus solely on its exterior, diving deep into the aesthetics, features, and the history of its design evolution. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The Tata Altroz has been one of the most striking cars in the hatchback segment since its launch in 2020. Known for its bold design and modern appeal, the 2025 model carries forward this legacy but with several upgrades that make it look even more contemporary and appealing. Tata Motors has clearly taken a lot of care in ensuring that the Altroz stands out on the road with a perfect blend of elegance and sportiness. And that's exactly what we're going to explore. Let's start with the front. The 2025 Tata Altroz features a more aggressive and futuristic design. The front grille gets a honeycomb mesh pattern, which enhances the car's sporty look, while the sleek LED headlamps are more angular than before, giving it a sharper and more defined face. The grille itself is flanked by slim, sharp LED DRLs, daytime running lights, that add to the modern vibe. Tata has opted for a slimmer, more integrated design that is both stylish and functional. These changes give the Altroz a bold presence on the road. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Altroz continues to maintain the unique, floating roof design concept, a signature feature of this car. The sleek roofline flows smoothly from the front to the rear, while the floating roof effect, achieved with a blacked-out A-pillar, gives the car a sporty, dynamic appearance. The side skirts are now more pronounced, adding to the muscular appeal. And the overall proportions of the car remain balanced and refined, giving it an athletic stance. The Altroz has always had a great road presence, and with this new update, that presence is even more commanding. In terms of wheels, Tata has made sure the 2025 Altroz stands out with its stylish alloy wheels, available in multiple designs depending on the trim. These wheels are larger than before, and their intricate design complements the overall sporty theme of the car. The 2025 Altroz also benefits from wider tires, providing better grip and improving the car's handling and stability on the road. These wheel upgrades are not just about looks, they enhance the car's overall performance too. Now, let's take a look at the rear end. The back of the Altroz is where the design evolution truly shines. The 2025 model features a redesigned tailgate, which now has a more sculpted and muscular look. It gives the car a more premium and contemporary feel. The tail lamp design has also been updated, now incorporating sleek, L-shaped LED lights that run into the tailgate, adding to the width of the car visually and giving it a wider stance. These modern touches create a more cohesive and aggressive look. The rear bumper has also seen significant revisions, with sharper edges and a more sculpted design, which further enhances the sporty character of the Altroz. Tata has also updated the rear diffuser to improve aerodynamics and add a more refined touch to the rear design. The new bumper design not only improves aesthetics, but also enhances the overall efficiency of the vehicle, making it look both functional and stylish. One of the key exterior features of the 2025 Altroz is its attention to aerodynamics. Tata has made several improvements to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. The body is now more sculpted, with carefully designed creases and curves that enhance airflow. The integrated rear spoiler, for example, not only adds to the sporty look but also plays a crucial role in improving downforce and stability at higher speeds. The car's underbody has also been improved to reduce turbulence and ensure smooth airflow. These tweaks help the car achieve better fuel economy while enhancing its performance on the road. The paint options for the 2025 Tata Altroz are another highlight, with several vibrant and premium color options to choose from, including the new Harbor Blue and Arcadian Black, both of which complement the car's bold design beautifully. The Altroz looks equally impressive in more understated shades like High Street Gold and Midnight Plum, making it an attractive choice for a wide range of buyers. The exterior color options are designed to enhance the car's design language, giving it a more refined and contemporary feel. In terms of overall dimensions, the 2025 Altroz has grown slightly, offering more space and improving its road presence. The longer and wider stance provides more interior space and enhances stability at higher speeds. While the Altroz remains a hatchback, its exterior dimensions allow it to compete with compact sedans in terms of presence and comfort, making it an ideal choice for those who seek a premium hatchback with excellent on-road presence. To sum up, the 2025 Tata Altroz is a remarkable evolution in design. Its bold, athletic, and premium exterior makes it a standout in the hatchback segment. Tata has managed to maintain its iconic design while incorporating modern updates that give it a more sophisticated and aggressive look, from the updated grille to the sleek headlamps, muscular side profile, and sculpted rear. Every inch of this car speaks of a carefully crafted, performance-oriented design. If you're looking for a car that stands out on the road and offers both style and performance, the 2025 Tata Altroz is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates, and let us know your thoughts on the 2025 Tata Altroz in the comments below.